पसरकाराकडल्यान भाडेपट्टी वसूल करपाच्या वावरान घोटाळो जाल्ल्याचो आरोप बाणावलेचे ग्रामसभेन जालो। तशेंच साळ न्हंयतल्यान येतल्या प्रदूषित उदकाचेर उपाय येवजण करपाची मागणी ग्रामसभेन केल्या।
बाणावलेची ग्रामसभेत साळ न्हंयच्या उदकाचेर तशेंच घरपट्टेचेर चर्चा जाली। मार्केटांतले कर वसुलेत घोटाळो जाल्ल्याचोय आरोप ग्रामस्थांनी केलो। दुकानदाराकडल्यान भाडेपट्टी वसुली केल्या उपरांत तांकां ताची पावती दिनात असो आरोप ग्रामसभेत जालो। वसुलीच्या कामात घोटाळो करपी एक लॉबीच वावुरता असोय आरोप एका पंच वांगड्यानच केलो।
Regarding the arts, the demolition and art and sort of issue, which is so in the next meeting we are trying to do that.
A major point of discussion was collection of house tax, where the panchayat had shown an estimate of 40 lakhs. Gram Sabha wanted to know what is the actual receipt of tax that should be given to the panchayat by the villagers. Another major issue that was hotly debated was collection of market auction fees. The panchayat member has shown the details of how the collection of fees was taking place for the past 3-4 years, and it is now realized that the panchayat has not been doing their duty in collecting of this money. There have been serious allegations against the panchayat. The panchayat member himself has said that there is a lobby within the panchayat which is depriving the village of its revenue by means of market auction fees. He has also brought to the notice of the Gram Sabha that there are heavyweights in the village who are behind illegal collection of market auction fees without issuing proper receipts to the shop owners. We have to plug the source of the pollution which is coming to the river Sal. A mention was also made that this pollution is coming from Margaon city, particularly areas of Komba and Madem. Gram Sabha will take required steps to obtain justice to stop this pollution of the panchayat. Of the riverside.
बाणावलेच्यान आमचो खबराकार संदीप तुयेकर।